Okay, for our first project, it's going to be called Right Click. So I already have PowerPoint open, and it starts with this slide. You can see here on the left-hand side that this is kind of a navigator of the slides. And I only have one slide, and on that slide there's a box for our title, and there's a box for a subtitle. We're going to go ahead and keep this slide because we'll add a title and a subtitle here in just a minute. We're going to go up here to new slide, and don't click on the top part of it, click on the bottom part of the button, and you'll see all these different types of slides that they have. We're going to click down here on this one that says picture with caption. Notice now we have two slides, and we're on the second one. You can tell that because it's kind of lit up with the yellow. Now we're on the first one, now we're on the second one. Click icon to add picture, and here's where you would add a title and you would add text. Now I want 4 of these picture slides, so you can do the same thing, or now that that's the last one that we added, you can click on new slide, and that one is also a picture slide, and that's our title slide. Okay, so we're going to put 4 picture slides in addition to our one that was already in there that is our title slide. So we have a total of 5 slides. Okay, and we're going to click on our top slide and on our title, and we're going to put whatever this is going to be about. And this is, we're going to get pictures. We're going to learn how to right click. Well, if I could turn on my caps lock. And let's name it what we're going to see in the PowerPoint. So I'll put, here is my PowerPoint about kittens. Okay, and make sure that it's spelled right and all that. Now this is underlined because it doesn't recognize PowerPoint as being the name of a program. I should actually capitalize that. Alright, so now we have 4 slides and we need 4 pictures of kittens. And how we're going to do that is we're going to go up here and we're going to minimize that, and then go to Internet Explorer and go to Google. And since we're getting images up here, you might want to put this on images, and then I'm going to put kittens. And we always want to be appropriate, so choose appropriate pictures. And he's pretty cute, so I'm going to put my mouse over this one, and I'm not going to click like normal with my pointer finger on the left side of the mouse. I'm going to click with my right finger on the right, or with my middle finger on the right side of my mouse. And you get this menu, has open link, save target as, keep going, save picture as. I'm going to click on that. And then we'll need to name it, and we'll need to tell where we want to put it. So I'm going to put kitten 1, and I'm going to put it in my folder, in my pictures folder, save. Okay, so now I have 1 picture, and you're going to do that for a total of 4 times. Oh, there's a kitten with a puppy. Save picture as. And I'm going to name that kitten 2. And it looks like it's already putting it in my folder, in my pictures folder, because that's where I put the last one. Save. And you're going to collect pictures, make a gallery. When you're done, you can close that and go back to your PowerPoint. Now, click icon to add picture. You're going to click on that. And it's going to say, okay, where's your picture? Well, it's in my folder, which is in a Fletcher, and it was in my pictures folder, and there it is. I'm going to click on it and go insert. Okay, now click to add title. I'm going to say, maybe I'll call him a tiger kitten. So give it some sort of title that's appropriate, and if you should have another box for text, you should add text to that one. Oh, look, you put it down there on the 5th one. I must have been down there on the 5th slide, but you would do it obviously from the beginning. Tiger kittens are usually gray and black. Okay? And then you would go on to the next one and click on the picture icon and insert your next one. When you get this whole entire thing done with a title slide and 4 picture slides, you have to have the picture, a title underneath it, and a little bit of text underneath it that relates to it. save the whole thing as your last name, right click, and then also drag it over to the drop drive.